derivatives. Suppose f is real valued function, the function defined by limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Wherever the limit x is defined to be the derivative of f of x at x. So derivative of the function, consider the function y equal to f of x. So derivative of the function at x is defined as limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So this limit, if it exists, is called the derivative of the function f of x. Now here we have studied different types of functions. So derivative of any function, y equal to f of x is any function, the derivative of that function is defined as this limit. Limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. We know as h tends to 0, that means h comes close to 0. This function comes close to some number. That number is called limit of the function. So that number, that function is called the derivative of f of x. So derivative of f of x is defined as this limit. Now this definition is called first principle of derivative. That definition of derivative f of x, f dash x, and it is denoted by f dash x or dy by dx or d by dx of f of x or y1 or y dash. So derivative of the function f of x is denoted by f dash x or dy by dx or d by dx of f of x, or we can say derivative of the function f of x with respect to x, derivative of y with respect to x. Here this variable denotes the derivative with respect to which variable. So derivative of y with respect to x, that is denoted by dy by dx or f dash x or d by dx of f of x or y1 or y dash. Now derivative of the function f of x at a, x equal to a, that is f dash a. When at x equal to a means only replace x by a. In the place of x, write a. So limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a by h. So at the in the place of x, write a. Only that is the difference. So this is f dash x. This limit is defined as f dash x, and this limit is defined as f dash a. Limit of the function f of x at x equal to a, where a belongs to the domain of the function f of x. So this is f dash a, limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a by h. This is derivative of the function f of x at any point x, f dash x. That is this definition, f dash x equal to this, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is f dash a. Now we will find the derivative of some functions from first principle. So this definition is called first principle of derivative. So using first principle we can find the derivative of some functions. Consider the function f of x equal to a. Consider the constant function. This function is called constant function. So the function f of x equal to a. Consider the constant function. Now we can find the derivative of this function using first principle. From the first principle of derivative we can find the derivative of constant function. For that first write the definition. F dash x equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Now we have to substitute the value of f of x plus h. F of x equal to a. So f of x plus h is in the place, see this is constant function. F of x equal to a. So what is f of 1? F of x equal to a. So what is f of 1? That is a. F of 2, that is equal to a. So whatever be the value of x, the value of f of x is a, always a. So f of 1 is equal to a, f of 2 equal to a. That is why it is called constant function. Whatever be the value of x, f of x is always constant, a. So here, so what is f of x plus h? That is also a, constant. So a minus, what is f of x? That is also a, divided by h. And we know h tends to 0 means h is not equal to 0. So a minus a is 0. So limit h tends to 0, a minus a, 0 by h. That is equal to 0. That is limit h tends to 0. The same as limit h tends to 0, 0. So since 0 is a constant, as we apply the limit h tends to 0, we get the same number 0. So limit h tends to 0, 0, that is same as 0. So we got the derivative of f of x. when f of x is equal to a constant function, derivative of f of x with respect to x, that is f dash x, equal to 0. So derivative of constant function equal to 0. Now we'll find the derivative of x, f of x equal to x. Now consider the function f of x equal to x. That is called identity function, f of x equal to x. So we'll find the derivative of this function x with respect to x using first principle, from the first principle of derivative. So that is f dash x equal to, from the definition, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. That is the definition of derivative. So using that definition, we will find the derivative of the function x. So f dash x equal to limit. First write the definition, then apply the substitute the value of f of x plus h and f of x. Then find the limit. So limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h. F of x equal to x. So what is f of x plus h? F of x equal to x means what is f of 1 when x equal to 1 in the place of f of x equal to x. So what is f of 1? 1. What is f of 2? 2. So what is f of x plus h? X plus h. Minus, what is f of x? Definition given, f of x equal to x. X by h. So x minus x cancelled. So we get limit h tends to 0, h by h. What is h by h? That is 1. So when we apply the limit, 1 is a constant. So limit h tends to 0, 1. When we apply the limit h tends to 0, we get same number, 1. So when f of x equal to x, derivative of x with respect to the variable x is equal to 1. So using first principles, we found the derivative of the identity function x. So derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1. Now we will find the derivative of derivative of 1 by x. Consider the function f of x equal to 1 by x. Now f of x equal to 1 by x. So f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So that is equal to, we can substitute the value of f of x plus h and f of x. So what is f of x plus h? See, f of x equal to 1 by x. F of x equal to 1 by x. So what is f of 2? F of 2 equal to 1 by 2. In the place of x, here in the place of x 2. So in the answer also, we have to substitute x equal to 2. So similarly, what is f of x plus h? What is f of x plus h? F of y, what is f of y? F of x equal to 1 by x. So what is f of y? 1 by y. That is in the place of x, we write y. So here in the place of x it is y. So in the answer also in the place of x we have to write y. So what is f of x plus h? Limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h. F of x 1 by x. So f of x plus h, in the place of x we have to write x plus h. So 1 by x plus h minus f of x. F of x is 1 by x. Whole divided by h. Now we have to simplify and we have to find the evaluate the limit. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0. Here find LCM, 1 into x, x minus 1 into x plus h, whole divided by x plus h into x. Then there is 1 by h, this by h, 1 by h, we can write as 1 by h, this h, 1 by h, 1 by h. Now we can simplify and we can find the limit. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0. Here x minus h, open the bracket, x minus h by x plus h into x into 1 by h. So x minus x cancelled. So we get here limit h tends to 0 minus h by x plus h into x into 1 by h. So that h can be cancelled and we get that is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus 1 by x plus h into x. So here this h cancelled, here there is minus 1 by x plus h into x. Now we can apply the limit. So when we apply the limit h tends to 0 minus 1 by x plus h into x. H tends to 0 means when we evaluate the limit, we substitute h equal to 0. So in the place of x, substitute 0. So we get minus 1 by x plus 0 into x. That is minus 1 by x plus 0 means x. X into x, x square. So derivative of 1 by x equal to minus 1 by x square. So derivative of 1 by x is 1 minus 1 by x square. So we found the derivative of constant is 0 and derivative of x 1 and derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So here we found the derivative using first principle. From first principle we found the derivative.